Here is how to get more customers in your natural health business if you're a nutritionist, health coach, or a natural health practitioner. A lot of people say, James, I just need more leads. Just need more leads. And usually that couldn't be further from the truth. Why? Well, because often just getting leads or customers or meeting people, well, you may burn through them if you can't sell or if you're not confident enough to convert or compel people into action. You know, getting leads or getting in front of people doesn't necessarily mean you'll convert them, mean they'll buy from you and you'll sign them up. It takes a lot more. Again, does your pricing match your offer? Is your pricing too low? And maybe is your pricing too high, but I doubt it. It's usually your pricing is too low and people don't value it. Think, oh, this is a Mickey Mouse thing. This is just a cheap thing. Maybe it's not that valuable. Unless you want to attract the cheapy people or have been attracting the cheapy people that want discounts and want lower prices and they're pains in the ass. They want tons of your time and they abuse you versus really respect you and love you for what you give them and what they get for you. So something to be very, very careful of and take into account. So no, you don't just need more leads, right? If you want more customers and sign up more people. There's a few things you're going to need. And one of them is influence. One of them is just being a highly influential person, commanding trust, commanding respect, commanding authority. And be very, very careful if you say, yeah, I do that, James, or yeah, I already know that. Well, you may know that and you may do it okay. However, if you want more customers and conversions, if you want more money and you want to charge more, then hey, you need to get better and better at that influence. And there's ways of doing it. There's like this, social media, creating videos, speaking at events, teaching somewhere. Other things that I've done too is I've written books as well. I'm looking to get on some TED Talks as well. They can be challenging to get on, but that can give you a great credential and credibility. I've been in talks with several TED Talk organizers. You can also do things like summits. Just Google blank summit, whatever you do, weight loss summit, health summit, nutrition summit, pregnancy summit, women's hormone summit, men's, performance summit, muscle summit, muscle building, whatever it is, right? Whatever you do, look for summits and you can speak at them as well. You can speak at the summit. Some will charge you, some will do it for free in exchange for value. I don't really do the paid ones anymore because I think if they're getting my value, I don't want to pay for someone to get my value. Sometimes, if they have wicked amazing audiences, huge audiences, the right audiences, then sure, maybe you can pay to play. I don't think it should be in the thousands, but that's my opinion. There's lots of events out there. You could even do your own. You do your own summit, have a few people help you out because it can be a lot of work doing a summit, but that's not a bad idea too. Another way to find people and show yourself as an authority, as a trusted, credible authority. Look for Facebook or Limitless Entrepreneur groups. For example, on LinkedIn, go find, weight loss groups or more energy at work groups, right? On LinkedIn and on Facebook. Go find these groups and just start posting. You can check with the administrator. Say, hey, I'd like to do a post for you. I'd like to give some value to people. Would that be cool with you? You can message the administrators if you want, or just start adding value. Just start helping people, start responding to people, DMing people, posting posts in the middle, responding to people's questions in the groups. And people will start contacting you. People start DMing you, or if you want to DM someone privately, if you have a response for them, you want to help them, check for these groups. You post there, you do webinars for the groups. People see you as a trusted authority. So it can be a very good way to also build trust and rapport and authority, because it's not just more leads. People say, I just need more leads. And no, that's not true. You need great quality leads. You need your leads to be pre-qualified as well. Preferably, instead of just getting a lead, ideally someone will have consumed something you've created, an hour webinar, a 10-minute webinar, a PDF, a 3, 4, 5-day challenge, a quick event you went to. They saw you on the summit. Right before they even start talking to you one-on-one for a call, ideally they've seen you. Referrals are great as well. Referrals do help a lot. And even so still, even with a referral, preferably they've seen at least 5 or 10 minutes of your content, your YouTube channel, your Instagrams, webinar, a VSL, something before they talk to you, because the chance of them buying from you are 1,000-fold more if they've seen something of you, because you come off like a trusted expert. You're a credible expert. They've learned something, they've seen something, and they've either hated you and they go away and they don't call you, or they think, wow, this lady, this guy is really got it. It's good. They're talking to me. They seem authentic. And I like what they're saying. Yes, they're speaking to me. That's so interesting. And people already have pretty sold by the time they get to you. So make sure people have seen something or insist upon it. If they book a call with you, insist upon seeing a value video, not just a Salesapalooza, all about you video, but honestly, a video of you teaching them something, giving some tips and hints and help. Make sure they've seen a video before they get on a call with you. It'll be 1,000 times more likely that they will buy from you. Trust me. The more they consume, the more likely they will to buy. Even if it's only 10, 15 minutes of a VSL, for example. So you don't just need more leads, you need credibility, you need authority. So speak everywhere. The more you speak, the more you speak. The more you speak, the more people will ask you to speak. The more content you do, of course, the more people will ask you questions. You get followers, people will refer you. People have seen me online and they've reached out to me that way, or people that have come to me from a variety of sources. I've showed them a YouTube channel and I said, here, take a look at some of these videos before our call or after the first call. I'd be like, hey, you know what? Screen share on Zoom. Here, this is my YouTube channel. These are all my videos. Have a look at some of these videos before our next call. I think they'll answer some of your questions and I think you'll get some value. And that's on 3 things. One lady said, I had no idea you had a massive YouTube channel. I had no idea you had that many videos. Oh my goodness, like you're like instantly credible. Here's my credit card number. I'm gonna buy from you. Let's do it. Let's go ahead. I know I said I wanted to wait and check things out, but wow, you have a YouTube channel with that many videos? Then you must be good. Let's do it. They may just go check them out. That may not happen all the time. They may go check them out and, oh wow, this person's amazing. I like what they say, or I don't like what they say, and they'll go away and won't waste your time. But again, having channels of content is amazing, amazing, amazing. Even, and listen, even if the content's not perfect, even your delivery is not perfect, even if your setup, even if nothing is perfect, the fact that you have videos, you've done content, if you go back in my YouTube videos, 9, 10 years ago, no, it's not as good as it today. I'm not as polished or just off the cuff today. I had to record over and over again because I made mistakes. Hint, 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 that's what makes you human. People will forgive you for making mistakes. And if not, do what I do. Wow, easy for him to say, and kind of disassociate yourself from that era. And plus it's fun, and it makes it interesting, and people forget all about the mistake you made, right? So have fun. Anyway, enough said about that. Find other ways to find people to refer you, to promote you. Get a Google My Business page as well. Get people to refer you, even if they're not paying clients yet. People you've helped, family members you've helped, friends you've helped. Get people to put comments on your Google Business page. It costs you nothing. Very fast and easy to set up, and you will show up in search results. So people will find you, and yes, that will get you leads. Get people to refer you, get people to connect you. And even if you want, start doing some post swaps with people to find similar people in a similar industry, but maybe they do something different. Like let's say you're a nutritionist and maybe there's a chiropractor or a naturopathic doctor or a massage therapist or Reiki practitioner. Interview each other on a topic or a subject. Do different videos, post the video on each other's socials, like it, promote it, and then use AI to take the transcript and to create another post, a text post. You have a video post. A week later, put the text post up, or 3 days later, put the text post up on each other's socials, and you'll get in front of each other's people. And there's really no competition between you as a nutritionist and the Reiki practitioner, or the massage therapist, or chiropractor, or you as a health coach, or whatever. So collaborating with great people, getting in front of people, making noise, even your own people, your own followers will see this, and they'll see someone else interviewing you, building credibility, rapport, and trust, and showing content. And that will help create conversions, which is what you want, not just more leads. Now, 2 more quick things. You need to have a kick-ass offer. Why are you more, and I realized I was giving you the finger there, apologies. We need to have a kick-ass offer. Right? See, we all make mistakes. Kick-ass offer. Not just, well, I'm a nutritionist, or I'm a business coach, or I'm a health coach, or I'm a doctor, I'm a lawyer. Who cares? No one cares until they know what you can do for them. With them. What's in it for moi? Right? So what's in it for them? And number 2, why you're unique. Why would they charge you and pay your prices versus anyone else? What makes you unique? And remember, the you in unique is about YOU, right? This is the only point where you can be a little selfish and rant and rave about you, why you're different. For example, My unique value proposition goes something like, well, as a former natural health practitioner, nutritionist, health coach, personal trainer for over 10 years, there you go, unique, because most other business coaches haven't been personal trainers and health coaches and holistic nutritionists. Food for thought. And as a former, more uniqueness, as a former NLP trainer, hypnosis trainer, I'll also teach you tools that will help you change your habits, patterns, and behaviors. Stop hiding, stop procrastinating, and just go take action so you win. And I'll teach you how to do it for your clients so they stop procrastinating, self-sabotaging, and not listening to you, and they go and take action. They stop the habits, stop the emotional eating, stop the patterns. They get their ass off the couch and go to the gym and move so that they can win as well, right? So it's a bit uniqueness for me versus, oh, I'm a business coach. Great. I'm a business coach who helps nutritionists, health coaches, and natural practitioners. Again, another uniqueness, another difference. In other words, another way I stand out from, hey, I'm a business coach. Come hire me. Hey, I'm a nutritionist. Hire me. Do you need a nutritionist? Do you need coaching? Do you need coaching? Right? Or versus I'm a life coach. Who cares? Versus, hey, I'm a coach that helps, I don't know, burnt out, overweight husbands take back their energy, their body, their sex life, and their whatever. Right? Or hey, I'm a coach that helps single moms, take back their power, have amazing boundaries, and find true love again in an amazing person. Right? It can be like that, nice and specific. One tip, most people niche too much in terms of demographics. Like, hey, are you a single 40-year-old woman in the corporate world who also likes French fries? Like, and I realize French fries is not a demographic, it's a psychographic. Ideally, what you want is psychographics. Like, you don't have to say man or woman. In fact, you'll often find that you say one thing and the opposite happens. But you want to go with psychographics. What are they thinking? Hey, if you're someone who is sick of meeting crappy people in the dating world, crappy people online, getting taken advantage of, getting ghosted, getting whatever happens in this wild and weird dating world, or sick of all the dick pics, or whatever, if you're someone like this and you want to find true love again and you're willing to give it your best, you're willing to work on yourself and openly communicate, and you want someone that's that way too, and you're a busy person and you don't have time for BS. See, you're going after a lot of the psychographics, how they think, what they think, their problems, right? Their spin, situation, problems, needs, what they need, right? It's called spin. Just Google the spin framework, spin selling framework, right? Solutions, problems, situation they're currently in, where they want to go, their needs, and aspirations. So anyways, I think I've beaten this one to death. Hope this was helpful.